Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Right after the higher secondary exam results, it is not very easy for the commerce stream students to choose any college for their further studies. As they are well focused on their future, they will definitely want to get admitted in a reputed BBA college. Well, many of them want to know about which college is best for their further studies and how much marks can lead them to a good BBA college. So in this video, I will discuss about top BBA colleges across India with their courses, fees, eligibility criteria, placements, etc. We also have some career guidance videos of various professions. You will get detailed information about how to achieve that particular profession which you have chosen as your career, such as pharmacist, air hostess, detective, software engineer, etc. You will get the video links in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be about Ethiraj College for Women in Chennai. Ethiraj College for Women was established in the year 1948 by Sri V. L. Ethiraj. The main aim of Ethiraj College is to empower women and provide quality education. Ethiraj College works towards providing women with equal social and economic rights. Ethiraj College for Women has a mission to achieve economic and social equality and develop relevant advanced and application-based knowledge among the students of Ethiraj College. Ethiraj College for Women is an autonomous college situated in the heart of the city of Chennai with 9 acres of campus area. A significant development in the college was the introduction of evening college in 1981. The thrust was on research with introduction of MPhil and PhD programs. The addition of the annex campus of 59 grounds augured the new direction in the growth of the college. 1990 to 2000 saw a steady growth with the introduction of job-oriented self-funded UG courses like Corporate Secretaryship, BCom in Bank Management, BBA or the Business Administration, BSc in Biochemistry, BSc in Microbiology and MSc in Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology, and the introduction of postgraduate AICTE approved courses MBA and MCA, which was an important milestone in the growth of the college. The construction of new science block and dormitories in the hostel marked the new phase of development. The beginning of the next decade witnessed the day college becoming autonomous and the momentous growth of the college in its infrastructure. The N and D block, COE block, new library, new hostel, business studies and information technology block, all adding up to 266,000 square feet. Besides these, the college has a language lab, instrumentation center, online access to the holdings in the library, internet center and computer labs. The college entered the global arena by signing an MOU with British Council for Teaching Business English Certificate and First Certificate in English. The college has continuously evolved with times to suit the changing scenario. Botany was converted into plant biology and plant biotechnology, one section of history into tourism and travel management, two sections of zoology into advanced zoology and biotechnology. In the self-financing stream, economics into business economics, one section of English to English and communication skills. At the PG level, a course in human rights and duties education was introduced during 2002. New courses namely BSc in Clinical Nutrition, MSc in Physics, MSc in Foods and Nutrition were also introduced from 2005 in the self-finance stream. In 2006, courses namely BSc in Visual Communication, MSc in Biochemistry and MSc in Microbiology were introduced. Ethiraj College has a 9-acre campus situated in the heart of the city of Chennai. It has great Ethiraj College infrastructure facilities with modern amenities. Ethiraj College is self-contained with prestigious structures and beautiful architecture. The gym facility is available inside the Ethiraj College campus. The Ethiraj College campus is equipped with labs for the students. The library at Ethiraj College is loaded with different subject-related books and will help the students with their course and research work. The auditorium of Ethiraj College has been built for entertaining the students on different occasions. The canteen at Ethiraj College provides good and nutritious food as well as snacks, all for the students. Bookstore at Ethiraj College is available, which is equipped with all kinds of books and other stationery items. Smart classrooms with LCD and OHP facilities are used for teaching purposes at Ethiraj College. Sports area for different sports activities and playgrounds are there at Ethiraj College. The Ethiraj College has many departments offering high standards of academic excellence in the fields of arts, commerce, science, computer applications and management. Some of the departments of Ethiraj College are Department of Tamil, Department of English, Department of Hindi, Department of French, Department of Sanskrit, Department of Economics, Department of History, Department of Tourism and Travel Management, Department of Advanced Zoology and Biotechnology, Department of Chemistry, Department of Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology, Department of Commerce, Department of Physics, Department of Mathematics, Department of Nutrition, Dietetics and Food Service Management, Department of Corporate Secretaryship, Department of Geography, Department of Computer Science, Department of Psychology, Department of Human Rights and Duties, Department of Clinical Nutrition, Department of Visual Communication and Department of Journalism. Next, we will go through this college's courses. Ethiraj College for Women in Chennai offers General BA in English, Economics, History, Tourism and Travel Management, Business Economics and Communication Skills. MA in Economics, English, Business Economics, Tamil, History, Human Rights and Duties, Education, Journalism and Communication. General BCom in Bank Management, General Accounting and Finance, and Corporate Secretaryship. MCom in Corporate Secretaryship, Banking and Insurance Management. General BSc in Advanced Zoology and Biotechnology, Chemistry, Mathematics, Nutrition, Food Service Management and Dietetics, Physics, Plant Biology, Plant Biotechnology, Biochemistry, Computer Science, Psychology, Visual Communications and Computer Application. MSc in Zoology, Chemistry, Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology, Mathematics, Food and Nutrition, Physics, Applied Microbiology and Biochemistry. This college also offers MCA, BCA, BBA, MBA and BCom honors. Ethiraj College offers undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Any candidate should successfully meet the required eligibility for admission at the Ethiraj College. For BA, candidates should have passed the higher secondary exam or 10+2 or equivalent examination with the required subjects from a recognized board. For BA in English, candidates should have passed the higher secondary examination with the required subject and with good English communication. For BA in Business Economics, candidates should have passed the higher secondary exam with Commerce or Business Studies or Humanities or Science. For BCom, candidates should have passed the higher secondary exam or equivalent examination in Commerce stream with the required subjects from a recognized board. For BSc, candidates should have passed the higher secondary exam or equivalent examination in Science stream with the required subjects from recognized board. For BSc in Advanced Zoology and Biotechnology, Candidates should have passed the higher secondary exam or 10+2 or equivalent examination in science stream with biology or zoology or botany or biotechnology and chemistry as subjects of study. For BSc in plant biology and plant biotechnology, candidates should have passed the higher secondary exam or equivalent examination in science stream with a subject combination of botany, zoology and chemistry or biology and chemistry or biotechnology and chemistry. For BSc in microbiology, candidates should have passed higher secondary exam or equivalent examination in science stream with physics, chemistry and biology or microbiology or botany and zoology. For BSc in biochemistry, candidates should have passed the higher secondary exam or equivalent examination in science stream with chemistry, biology or botany, zoology or biochemistry or microbiology or biotechnology. For BBA, candidates should have passed the higher secondary exam or equivalent examination in commerce stream with the required subjects from a recognized board. For BCA, candidates should have passed the higher secondary exam or equivalent examination with mathematics or business mathematics. For MA, MBA and MCA, candidates should have completed graduation in the relevant field from a recognized university. For MSc, candidates should have completed graduation in the relevant science field from a recognized university. For MCom, candidates should have completed bachelor degree in commerce field from a recognized university. For BCom, the first year fees is around Rs 76,000. For BSc, first year fees is around Rs 10,000. For MBA, it is Rs 1.18 lakhs. For BA, the first year fees is around Rs 10,000 and for BBA, it is Rs 78,000. Ethiraj College has admission procedure as per the guidelines of the Government of Tamil Nadu. Eligible candidates can apply online on the college website for Ethiraj College admissions. Well, friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. Applicants may be filled of Ethiraj College by paying the prescribed fee through online mode only. Candidates will be selected on the basis of eligibility criteria and Ethiraj College cutoff. Candidates seeking hostel accommodation at Ethiraj College should submit the hostel application form after making the Ethiraj College fees payment. The infrastructure facilities of the Ethiraj College campus include hostel facilities for the students on the Ethiraj College campus. The hostels provide a safe and peaceful atmosphere for the resident hosteler of Ethiraj College. Ethiraj College hostel facilities are a sweet home for around 585 students from different districts of the state and sometimes outside state. The hostel of Ethiraj College included recreation rooms, spacious dining halls, and telecommunication facilities. The Ethiraj College hostel includes hostel mess and a gymnasium. Vegetarian food is served in the Ethiraj College mess with dividing system being followed for the mess bill. There are 3 blocks at Ethiraj College where the rooms are 3, 4 or 6 sharing to accommodate the girls. The students of Ethiraj College are provided with a library, newspapers and TV in each block. Girls also play some games like shuttle badminton, hide and seek etc. during their free times. Students of UG, PG, MBA, MCA are residing in the Ethiraj College hostel. Various functions are organized at Ethiraj College like Freshers' Eve, Hostel Day, Moonlight Dinner and Farewell. Many festivals like Vinayagar Chaturthi, Golu, Christmas, Pongal are celebrated in the Ethiraj College hostel. Co-founder of Jabong.com Lakshmi Potluri, former Chief Secretary Government of Tamil Nadu IAS S. Malati, Member of the Board and CFO of Susken Technologies Nita Revankar, former Indian cricketer and former national coach Sudha Shah and Sujata Sridhar, India's first woman hair pathologist J. Vijaya, Deepika Pallikal, Jayanti Natarajan, Jyoshna Chinappa are some notable alumni of this college. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Also you can share this video with your friends. So if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I miss some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college. Till then, goodbye.